How to do a freeze clone effect in the CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go and open your CapCut. Now once you're in here, you have to select the video from your gallery and add this. After adding the video, you have to adjust it and crop the part which you want and go on the add overlay, and in the overlay you have to add the same video which you add in the previous one, and here you have to adjust this video. After this you have to go back and here you have to crop this. Now once you've done it, you have to select the overlay and here is the option of the split. You have to split the part which you want to add as a clone. Once you select that part, you have to simply click on the back button and here you have to go on the edit. Now you have to delete this part and here you have to find out the option of the remove background. But before removing the background, you have to adjust the part. After it, you have to select that overlay and again click on the edit, and here is the option of the remove background. You have to cut out the stroke and remove the background. You have to do in all the overlay. Simply cut that background and click on the tick mark. After this, as you can see, the background has been removed and the clone effect has been added. But before this, you have to add the freeze to that part which you want to add as a clone. So yeah, this is how you can do freeze frame clone effect in the CapCut.